Hello and welcome back, my friends. Today I have a 1-minute gardening tip that's going to change the way you water your garden forever. Check it out. So right here what I've got is a 30-gallon container. You could use a rain barrel, a garbage can. What you want to do is fill it up with your water. Now, if the water source that you're utilizing came from the city, it's tap water, chances are it contains either chlorine or chloramines. And although that does a great job bringing us bacteria-free, safe water right to the tap, when it comes to utilizing this water in the garden, it can have a detrimental effect on some of the beneficial bacteria and soil microbes. But I've got an easy and quick solution for you. By simply adding some ascorbic acid or vitamin C crystals to your water, you can neutralize those chlorines and chloramines. And for a vessel this size, 30 gallons, you only need 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon to treat all the water. These particular vitamin C crystals contain 1100 milligrams per 1/4 teaspoon. So here's where the real time saver comes in. If you are doing any watering by watering can, you can quickly dip your watering cans in the vessel and fill them up immediately. Oftentimes I prefer to water with a watering can, especially in areas of the garden where it's somewhat of a hassle to drag the hose over to that area. Watering cans can come in handy, and by saving all that time of filling up one can at a time through the hose, walking back and forth, you can simply just dunk the can right into your vessel and head off to do your watering. Another benefit to watering this way is you can easily add in a bit of nutrient into your water source. Here I've got a bit of liquid kelp. I'm just going to put a glug in there. And here I've got some fish emulsion. Add in a bit of that. Give it a quick stir. And if doing this step, I recommend wearing some gloves, especially when handling the fish emulsion. And you could do a bit of foliar feeding at the same time, even dousing the leaves of your plants when using nutrients like these. You know, I'm a big fan of finding more efficient, practical ways to get some of your most common garden tasks completed. Whenever you can save a bit of time completing these tasks, that means you're going to be able to get more done in less time, and who doesn't like that? And when you're done watering for the day, you can simply slap a lid on your container, or even something like a piece of burlap, just to help keep mosquitoes, bees, birds out of your container. And that's all there is to it, my friends. Quick, easy, effective, will save you time and make your task a whole lot easier.